testing it. Holy shit. It's got an incredibly strong screen. Too bad they don't make them like that anymore.
Yeah. That was a failure. Really? This is just impressive at this point.
There's a chicken turd stuck to it.
No.
I don't think you can break it. Maybe you should just give it up, Bailey. I think it's indestructible.
Look, I got it to cave in a little bit.
Well, they make them tougher than they do the ones nowadays.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
And that was after rolling it all the way out.
And it still had a good picture. We just couldn't get it to turn on. I don't know. It's fucked up. Poor TV. It wants to. I don't think you're gonna break it, Billy.
I got it to break a little bit.
It's like safety glass.
This is worse than safety glass. Safety glass would have broken by now.
God damn.
Good saw.
She don't like thunder. And lightning. Whoopsie, you missed that one. You're gonna end up bludgeoning an animal.
Hang on 1 minute. I'm gonna get something. You just stay there. Keep videotaping.
There's sparks flying off of it.
I'm fucking up the hedge clippers.
Quit. Don't do that. Just leave it alone. It doesn't want to be
I want
broken.
something heavier.
Put those back where you found them. Ah! There you go. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Did you hear the decompression?
You busted a hole in it. Yay.